You're probably hearing these buzzwords, AEO, GEO, and so forth, and maybe you'll have a new letter come in. And all of these are plays on SEO, which we all know. AEO stands for Answer Engine Optimization. GEO stands for Generative Engine Optimization. I guess it rolls off the tongue better than AEO. But I mean, to be completely honest with you, I think these are silly approaches, right? What they are is basically approaches to say, listen, you now need to make your content, okay, attractive to an agent, not just a human being. So from that perspective, this makes perfect sense, right? Like I have this content, I've optimized this content for human beings searching through a search engine, Google, what have you. Now I need to make this attractive, to people using Perplexity or to using OpenAI or whatever, right? The problem with this is the premise here is that the way things are going to work, in an agentic world is that when you search, Perplexity is going to come around to your website and scrape your website for all your products to understand the products you sell, and you want to make your products attractive to Perplexity. The problem is that this is highly inefficient. Okay, it just doesn't really make sense, especially when you're doing, when you're dealing with stuff where there's this rich context going back and forth. And so the future, frankly, is not one where you take a website and jerry-rig the website for agents, right? Say, oh, I have this website, it was built for humans, and now I'm going to tweak it so it works for agents as well. Rather, okay, you need to be saying, I have a website that's for human beings, okay? westmarine.com or PacSun.com or aloeyoga.com or whatever it is. And now I need to have a website that's actually suited for agents, right? And let's say that's westmarine.com/API/MCP. How do agents interact with that website? Why does it have to look like a website that a human being interacts with? In fact, it won't. That's highly inefficient, right? Rather, that can actually simply be surfaced, for instance, as an MCP server or something else. And so, this is kind of, there's a lot of froth around this, right? AEO, GEO, and so forth. And I'll get off my soapbox now, but I think it's a little bit misunderstood.